Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have this fun package right here. I have 3 packages here from the Ipsy PR program. We have the Ipsy Glam bag right here. I have the Boxycharm by Ipsy right there. And I have the Pat McGrath curated icon box. So, real fast, let me just give you information on this for the pricing of these boxes. So, the Ipsy Glam bag, you know, we all know the price of the Ipsy Glam bag is $13 a month. 5 beauty samples. You get to customize one of the items in your bag. We all pay $1.99 shipping and handling. I also pay tax in Pennsylvania. The Boxy by Ipsy is $28 a month, 5 full-size beauty products. We customize 3 out of the 5. Pay the $1.99 shipping and handling, plus I pay tax. And then the Icon box is a quarterly box. A seasonal box is $58. 8 full-size products. I think you customize 3 out of the 8. $1.99 shipping and handling, and I would also pay tax on that. So this box is curated by Pat McGrath. I do love Pat McGrath. Her stuff is a little bit pricey for me, her own brand products. So we're just going to get right in here. And, oh, they have pretty purple foam, which they haven't used foam. So this is everything that I received in my box from the Ipsy PR program. I'm just trying to, let me show you the card. So for November, it's the Glammest Show on Earth is the theme. So we have Glam Bag, Boxycharm, and the Icon box. Let me see. Glam Bag is up to a $70 value. Yeah, I always doubt that. Boxycharm is up to a $200 value, and the Icon box is a value worth up to $350. And then this is just, you know, a blank card because of the PR program. So let's just get right into the Pat McGrath. I do have my phone here, so hopefully that'll help me with the products. Where do I start? Let's start here from Herbivore Supernova right here. This is an eye cream from them. Let's open this up and see. I love a good eye cream. This is a good brand. Right here, this is what it looks like. Supernova. It's a bright cream. Or the packaging is bright. It might not be bright. Oh no, it is a bright yellow cream. Must have vitamin C in it to be yellow. No scent that I can smell. So that's always a nice thing to have. We'll put you back. Another brand favorite of mine from Murad. We have Rapid Collagen Infusion right here. $89 value. This is a collagen serum. Expensive. And that's what this looks like. I think I have one of these. I'm not really sure. I know I have samples, but I think I have the full size of this too, so I'm happy to have that. Nice. And then from Pat McGrath, right here, this looks like a mascara to me. Dark Star Mascara. Let's see what you look like. $34 value. Beautiful packaging. I will not open this because I'll probably share this. I don't keep full-size tubes too much anymore. I'm not going to start now, so that probably will share. Ooh, what are you? Wow, from Drunk Elephant, I have the Silcomino Conditioning Leave-In Milk. So this is a leave-in conditioner. Oh, I wish I would have got the shampoo. That's nice. 240 ml, 8 fluid ounces. I'm excited. I don't think I'm getting this in any of my stuff. So I'll have to buy the shampoo because I love trying, you know, both together, the shampoo and the conditioner. But I will use that. From the Quick Flick. And this is for Perfect Wings. That's what that looks like. Let me see, this is sealed. So, Drunk Elephant is $32. Let's open this up. And this is $30, so I'm not going to pull them out. You have 2 of them in there. One is going to be a felt tip liner, and the other one is your stamper Probably share that too. I don't use stuff like that. Next, exciting, LYS Beauty Speak Love. Right here. This is a lip oil duo in, does it have, oh, it says OG and Lovable, $24 value. Let's open you up. So you get 2 of them. Excuse me. Here they are right here. Lip oil duo. Speak Love. And then this one. No, they both say Speak Love. Glossy lip treatment oil. One is supposed to be OG and one is Lovable. I can't read on there. This is OG and then this is Lovable. I'm excited for them. LYS is a good brand. Excited for that. We have 2 more items in here. Good box so far. From Misho Beauty, we have a setting spray. Nice. Where are you? $21. I have all the products up on my phone for the icon box. Nice. Let's see, nice spray. I'm not going to spray this, but maybe I will. Give it a little spritz. Let's see what the... nice fine mist. That's nice. I didn't use a setting spray today, but that's okay. And then last, which I don't own anything from this brand, Danessa Myricks Beauty Dew Wet Balm. Danessa Myricks, $22. So this is a highlighting face and body balm. This is sealed, and this says the shade is Rose Water. So let's open this and see what it looks like. Heard great things about Danessa Myricks makeup. A lot of people do love it. Ooh, look at that packaging. Look at that packaging. Wow. Wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, open it. So that's what this looks like. Beautiful. That is a cream. I'm not going to be touching it. Look at this packaging. Stunning. $22. I don't think that's overpriced for a highlighter at all. And body balm. So I guess you could put it on your décolleté if you wanted to. Not a bad icon box at all. I mean, I wish there was more Pat McGrath in this box, but, you know, it's supposed to be their favorites that they love to use. Now, obviously, I'm sure she uses a lot of her own makeup, but I'm happy with everything in here. I'm not unhappy with anything. A few things to share, so that's always nice. So that is the icon box. And let's move on to the Boxycharm by Ipsy box for November and see what I have. I'll give you a little sneak peek here into the box. And I got my little blade still out here. So here, first thing is from Gloss Modern. This is Clean Luxury Body Cream. This is a $38 value. I've had this before. This is very nice. From KOA Life, a vitamin C lip treatment. This is $23. These are nice too. You know, like a little lip balm type product. Right here. Because I am sick, I am not trying any of this stuff at the moment. Not to say I won't. Ooh, what do I see here from ABH? A satin lipstick, and this is in taupe beige, and this is $23. I do love some good ABH lipstick. Right here, here's what they look like. Tubes all look the same. And that's a pretty color. Once again, not touching anything at the moment. I don't want to get germs on anything. So here we have from Kopari, I can see through the paper. From Kopari, Maureen Clean Purifying Gel Cleanser with a nice little pump. $29. That's nice. And I don't know if I've tried Kopari Cleanser. I know I've tried other Kopari products, just not sure about that one. Then the last, oops, there goes the box. the last thing in my box looks like a palette from, I don't know who you're from. Let's open you up. Let's see who you're from. Oh, I cannot get into this. Oh, come on. Oh, it is sealed. Okay. Paper on it. Who are you from? Oh, Alamar, right? Alamar? Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette Destino. Where are you on my list? $35 value. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Okay. Right here. Nice. It opens up like this. How did you open up? How do you open up? Oh, sealed. That's why it wouldn't open. You seal on that side too, maybe not. Okay, why won't you open? Yeah, that's weird. Okay. Huh. So this is what this looks like. Strange concept, but like when you do it that way, it opens it, and then you slide this and it locks it, so it can't open. Huh. That's weird. And then you slide it back, and there's a catch. Yeah, and then you slide it, and it locks, and then you slide this back the other way, and it opens it. That's interesting. And there is a protective shield on it. Not a bad looking palette. Just, I don't know if I'll keep it or not. Interesting the way it locks, and then you just slide it back and it locks the palette. Interesting palette. Like I said, I don't know if I'll keep it or not. And that's everything in my Boxy by Ipsy for the month. Put you back in here. If this was my box, would I be happy with it? Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I definitely think there were better products, so we'll see. I think my box will be better, but you know, like, who knows? I don't remember. I almost forgot to pick my choices. I was like, oh no. Just been swamped these days. And then the last thing is obviously going to be the Ipsy Glam bag, and I literally just opened the top. I know there are 2 colored bags this month. I think pink and purple, if I'm not mistaken. So this one is pink with a gold handle and a gold tab. Nice pink quilted soft bag. Gold zipper. Interior is just, you know, your standard interior. And let's see what's in here. From Estate Cosmetics. Precision liquid liner in black right here. So, I mean, this looks like a full size to me. Is it Estate? Yes, full size, $12. I'll share that. I don't keep liners. I never heard of this brand. Mary and May. Believe in Truth. This is an eye cream right here. Happy to try that. Here from Tartelette, we have tubing mascara. Tiny little sample. I'll probably keep that. This I might share because I have the full size. This is from Grown Alchemist. This is a face scrub, like face exfoliant. Probably share that. And then from Elamon Beauty, right here, what are you? A lip gloss. I don't know if I can. And Santorini. There's the shade. Pretty. So I'll probably keep that. So they're the 5 items in my Glam bag that I received. Plus the cute Glam bag. Not the best Glam bag I've ever seen, but, you know, it is what it is, right, people? And this is the Glammest Show on Earth is the theme for November 2023. Tell me your thoughts on any of these bags, products. Let me know. Are you getting the icon box? I have said this before. I won't pay for the icon box anymore. After I had the issue I had prior, I resigned myself to the fact that I will never purchase it. But I am happy that we get it in PR. And, you know, some of these products I'll keep, and some of these I will add to future giveaways. I want you to know that I have not been out of the house in over a week. I'm still sick. I'm not better yet. Dealing with some other issues that have come up in our family in this past week. So I'm hoping that by Wednesday, the 8th, I think it is, November 8th, that all the previous month's giveaway wins will be mailed. Everything is packaged, ready to go. I just do not have the energy to go out. I don't feel well still. And it would be crazy for me to go out into public and go into the post office if I'm sick. I don't want to give this to anybody else. So those will be mailed by the 8th-ish. So, but I will let the winners know exactly when they're mailed. I'm anticipating the 8th. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.